Bicol University, a university of the future, guided by the philosophy, education for service, nurturing and educating future leaders in service to the world. To the honorable members of the Search Committee and the Secretariat, members of the Bicol University family, BU officials headed by our President, Dr. Fay Lea Patria M. Lauraya, past presidents of Bicol University, dear retirees, highly esteemed faculty members, and the non-teaching staff, beloved students, BU alumni, guests, and other key officials of government, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Amelia Dorosan, a graduate of Bicol University Civil Engineering Department of the College of Engineering, a Master of Arts in Physics degree holder from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, and a PhD holder in Science Education, major in Physics from La Salle University. I stand before you today because I believe in Bicol University. The past 45 years has seen BU grow from its humble beginnings to the great institution it is today. I feel very blessed to have been part of the BU community for much of that time. As a student of the College of Engineering, as a faculty of the same college, as a policymaker, as a dean for 12 years in 2 colleges, the College of Engineering and the College of Science, and a vice president for administration for 3 years. And now today, as a humble applicant for the opportunity to lead this university towards its golden years of bringing out the best in its students, its faculty and personnel, and the community it serves. I believe that Bicol University is ready to build itself as a university of the future, characterized by openness to the public, serving the purpose of the community, access to high-quality education, flexibility, innovativeness, being job-focused, affordable, and where learning is a lifelong process. In becoming a university of the future, we will be guided by the philosophy, education for service, nurturing and educating future leaders in service to the world. Education is a lifelong pursuit. Gaining further education means capacity to serve. We will nurture future leaders in an institution with a dynamic culture of giving back and paying it forward. As a state university, we offer education that is, for the most part, paid for by the people. And the least, therefore, that we can do is to be an institution that truly serves the people to whom we owe our existence. After all, those who lose their lives in serving others find so much more of themselves. BU will become a university of the future, committed to service through academic excellence and transformative education, value-driven leadership, responsive research, and innovative community involvement for sustainable regional and national development and regional and global cooperation. Degree programs shall be job-focused, designed in partnership with industry practitioners, and feature complementary and incremental skill set certificate programs, having options for flexible class schedules and innovative learning modalities, and are sufficiently supported with modern technology-based resources. Research and extension programs shall be responsive and integrated, serving the purpose of the community, and will be encouraged through projects that are collaborations between student groups, the university, and the community sectors. For a future university, a university of the future, leadership shall be value-driven, which includes a forward-looking perspective with proper deference to time-tested virtues, while maintaining openness to the need for improvement and change to create improved organizational value for all shareholders. Even as it looks to the future, BU will be grounded in its mission as stated in Section 3 of RA 5521, which is to give professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, the sciences and arts, besides providing for the promotion of scientific and technological researches. If elected 8th President of Bicol University, we will work together to bring about our vision by focusing on the following key areas. Human resources, which is adaptive and with strengthened organizational culture of service excellence. Improved university services following the pathway of the performance governance system of the Civil Service Commission. University systems, policies, and standards that is adaptive and responsive, and a robust information and communications technology. In working on these key areas, we will continually be guided by our philosophy, education for service, nurturing and educating future leaders in service to the world, even as we provide transformative and nurturing education and services to our students and to the community. Our agenda is to lay down 8 building blocks that describe our efforts to address our focused key areas. First, responsive and relevant scholastic engagement of future leaders with a spirit of entrepreneurship and a philosophy guiding the educational experience as nurturing and transformative for service to the world. Second, adaptive talent management system that embraces by heart the culture of service excellence and innovation. Third, improve university services that would address identified gaps befitting a global university. Fourth, innovations in and institutionalization of university systems and policy standards that would support and promote academic excellence, access, quality, flexibility, and other characteristics of a university of the future. Fifth, a cohesive social agenda in research, development, and extension, giving relevance and while consistently monitoring and measuring the impact of research, development, and extension engagements to and with the communities. Sixth, provide and continually improve a ubiquitous, sustainable, and enabling ICT infrastructures and systems that will support a university of the future. Seventh, institutionalize the standards of service excellence by setting the core values to guide BU's talent base. And eighth, institutionalize the standards of excellence as attributes of BU graduates guided by the 4 pillars. I know, as we'll work together towards our shared vision, each of us truly committed to bring out the best in each other, we will be able to help Bicol University become a responsive, relevant, truly and thoroughly committed and dedicated to service, and become the university of the future in Bicol. I believe in Bicol University. I believe in its potential and the limitless potentials of each of us who study in, work for, and are served by this great institution we all love. I hope that you will believe in me too. Beloved faculty members and non-teaching personnel, dear students, dear alumni, friends, ladies and gentlemen, I invite you, be one with me in laying the building blocks of a university of the future. Diyos mabalos po sa Indogabos asin maray na aldaw.